24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in a real sense is drifting at $195,594,008 in a truly kind of large manner. ADA down roughly 0.87% inside the most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Cardano's EMA in a real sense shows a vertical pattern in a quite large manner, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense, past week acquiring 4.56%, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally truly is floating at $195,594,008 in an especially enormous manner, in spite of prevalent thinking. The 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll for the most part by and large walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified pressing issues. What in every practical sense, for the most part is truly momentary cost expectation for Cardano, is ADA a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Cardano support in opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging very profound into the ADA specialized examination, generally especially let us in every practical sense, fundamentally discuss the really current economic situations, which explicitly is very critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,207,439,266,683, ridiculously in opposition to prevalent thinking. The complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $29,197,739,992, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum entirely has a strength of 16.33%, which very is genuinely huge, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span, which essentially for the most part is very critical. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 0.84 and presently exchanging at 48 cents, which actually really is very critical, which is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of essentially is genuinely critical. These occasions generally essentially demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a descending heading for exceptionally present moment, especially genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a general exceptionally quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, certainly truly is somewhere around 0.84 and presently exchanging at 48 cents in an extremely significant manner. Or so they thought. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized markers used to for the most part in a real sense distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers sort of most certainly become substantially more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition entirely is a level at which dealers fundamentally essentially move essentially dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of kind of higher in a very significant manner. Following basically really are the help and opposition levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA especially has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.87% in sort of most recent 24 hours, exhibiting how these occasions by and large show that the market for the most part is going in a very certainly descending bearing for most certainly transient and in an every practical sense, enormous way. The in every practical sense, exceptionally current worth of Cardano, all things considered, in every practical sense, is floating at 40 cents with the exchanging volume of $195,594,008 USD in the equivalent time period in a kind of quite huge manner. The kind of by and large market cap for ADA in every practical sense truly is $13,960,610,970 USD, while the coin cost changes 4.56% throughout the week. All things considered, Further appearance how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP for the most part basically is somewhere near 0.84 and presently exchanging at 48 cents in a very enormous manner, which is genuinely critical. Cardano value examination ADA cost examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside a day-to-day time period really made sense of underneath in an unpretentious manner. We utilize certainly relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, sort of normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving in every practical sense. Normal and remarkable moving very normal to dissect the future development of the Cardano, showing that following for the most part certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano execution ADA basically has recorded a downtrend, losing 0.87% in essentially truly most recent 24 hours, exhibiting how these occasions in every practical sense explicitly demonstrate that the market for the most part in a real sense is going in a by and large certainly descending heading for especially momentary in a pretty truly significant manner. The ADA/USD moving certainly normal union and disparity pointer by and large is demonstrating a present moment in a real sense so commonly signal as the MACD line most certainly is moving underneath decently kind of sign line with, especially most certainly implies for the most part by and large bears generally are ruling on the lookout, showing how Cardano value examination ADA cost investigation for the 30th of April 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time period in a real sense especially made sense of beneath, or so they all things considered, thought. While ADA's Williams %R marker by and large certainly is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition, the exchange actually commonly signal in every practical sense is really conceivable at this reach in an essentially huge manner in an unobtrusive way. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and sort of is attempting to break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, reasonably by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking in an essentially significant manner for the most part. Cardano effectively breaks its most memorable opposition level of 40 cents. So yet prior to plunging essentially fundamentally profound into the ADA specialized examination, truly let us in every way that really matters, discuss the very current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner in an unobtrusive way. Presently ADA sort of has a practically the especially the closest opposition of 42 cents incredibly. A bullish breakout in this obstruction level would especially help the upswing energy, showing that Cardano backing and opposition explicitly truly are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path and in an every practical sense, truly significant way. The purchasers could then focus on the kind of truly upper opposition put at 44 cents, which actually especially shows that however prior to plunging sort of truly profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us in a real sense really discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner, ends Cardano in every practical sense. Has in every practical sense truly barely any recuperation risks and could fundamentally keep testing quick opposition level of 40 cents before long. Actually especially further appearance how a bullish breakout in this obstruction level would explicitly help the upturn energy, showing that Cardano backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can take